How to sync lock tracks in Audacity. To begin, I created some audio tracks and edited both tracks. If I select this clip and delete it, now my tracks are out of sync and I have to delete the same part of the low track too. Instead of doing this, I can go to Tracks menu and enable Sync Lock Tracks. Now my tracks are synced, and I can tell because this icon is visible at the bottom of tracks. Now if I select a clip and delete it, it will delete the same portion of the low track too. Now let's disable Sync Lock Track and see another situation where it may be helpful. If I wanted to add an audio clip at the beginning of these two tracks, I had to first select everything and move them forward. Then I import my audio and bring everything back. Instead of doing this, I can enable Sync Lock Track option. Now right-click and add a label track. Everything between label tracks is synced together. Here my two tracks about the label track are synced. But if I import an audio into a new track below the label track, it's not synced with tracks above the label track. Now I can click on any of the audio clips and drag it to the right, and it will drag everything to the right. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.